we'll be alright. 'Cause what's been on your mind? For me, it's just you all the time.
So to start out this curly hair routine, I always make sure my hair is nice and clean. So I use these 2 shampoos and then I use this conditioner as well. So the main product I'm using is this Redken Curvaceous Curl product and a clip. Hiya, like this video please. Okay, so now I'm going to section off my hair with the clip and apply the product to my hands. We're not going to run our fingers through our hair. We're going to glide them together like so, almost like a flat iron, except our hands aren't 480 degrees and we're not damaging our hair. I found out this technique from this lady who has beautiful curly hair, and she told me what to do, so I followed it ever since, and it really helps with stopping your hair from frizzing so much. All these other techniques I tried didn't work, but this one definitely works, and it also makes your curls more defined when you do this technique. I don't know how, but it works, and I do this all the time whenever I want my hair to look fabulous, so highly recommend trying this technique out for my curly haired girls. I always have random frizzy pieces, so what I like to do is take small sections and just flatten the hell out of it, as you see. And this is the part where it took me 5 or 6 tries to get this clip on my head. I was just so over it. I was like, are you serious? So yeah, I think 5th or 6th time's a charm to get that clip on. And I just realized I have a double chin right there, so lovely. Yay. So now you can enjoy the lovely music I have for you. So jam out in your room, in your car. Oh, so the part that I have to worry about the most is the front of my hair because it frames my face. So I always flip my hair over, just start fluffing my hair from the front to the back, go back up, kind of play around with it until it looks pretty. Now it's time for the serious stuff, hairspray. I have a lot of hair. It could get frizzy once I step outside, and yeah. So I just hairspray until voila. We look fabulous as always, people. Remember, confidence is key, okay? Hope you like this video. Subscribe and comment. Peace out.